Good morning, everyone. So if you turn on your computer and you see this, let it do its thing. And then let me know, because usually this is an indication that you got a hard drive that's going bad. It might be good for a while, but it is probably going bad and needs to be changed. This kind of popped up on my machine on one hard drive, and now it's popping up on the other one. But those two hard drives, I use the heck out of them. Most of the time, I'm using them for data recovery for clients um, or running the virtual machines. And so, yeah, if you see this, if you turn on your computer and you're seeing this, definitely look into, you know, your hard drive is going to have to be repaired. I can try and repair it, or I can replace it. Um, and if it's still in a good enough condition, I can maybe clone it. And the thing that's going on right now, we've been selling a lot of solid state hard drives for laptops and desktops to speed them up, especially if your computer is 6, 7, 8 years old. It's amazing what a solid state hard drive and a little bit of a memory boost can do for your computer. I just did one over the past couple of days. Quite amazing the difference. It was an 8-year-old laptop. The hard drive was dying, so I was able to. It was still in good enough condition that I could clone it. I cloned it to a new SSD, and literally it went from taking 4.5 minutes to boot up to booting up in 45 seconds, and the response times were just incredible. So yeah, definitely if you've got older computers or you've got older laptops, they are running incredibly slow. It's probably the hard drive going bad. Again, most common problem is the hard drive. And so in this case, you've seen with the studio, I've showed it before, my solid state hard drive went out earlier this year. And now both of my data drives are starting to show errors, so I'm going to have to repair and replace those here relatively soon. But like I said, I use the heck out of those two drives, not only for the virtual machines, for client backups and remotes and virtual servers, but also, I do the OneDrive. It's strictly our server drive and our data recovery drive for clients when we have clients come in with dying hard drives and they need us to get their data off of it. If you've ever asked me for all of your documents and pictures off of a hard drive, that's the hard drive it goes to for first, because I have the speed capability there. If I tried to do it onto a flash drive or an external hard drive, the speed limitations would make it 2 and 3 times longer than what it does when I just slave your hard drive into the computer and just say, take it all. So as you can see, if you see those spinnies coming up and it says check your hard drive, most likely your hard drive is starting to fail. And you should really, if you want to do it yourself, by all means. But if you don't want to lose anything, if it's still in good enough condition, give me a call. Here's the number here. I can come to you if you're in the service area. You can bring it to me. We'll discuss the prices. Usually a 500 gigabyte SSD, depending on brand, usually runs about $80-$85 through us, and a 1 terabyte is running about 100 to 135, depending upon what I can get and where. And usually I can have it back to you within 2 days. A lot of the times I can do it next day, but not always. Sometimes the cloning process doesn't take, and I have to do it 2 or 3 times just to get the cloning process to take properly. Sometimes they go through in one shot, sometimes others. Anyways, time for me to go. I have people coming in. You guys have a great day.